In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Binance Oco order, explained for beginners. Whether you're a new trader looking to maximize your profits or simply want to add a bit more automation to your trading strategy, understanding how to implement an OCO or one cancels the other order can be an incredibly useful tool. Let's dive in and get you started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and complete any necessary verification steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading interface. This could be either the spot or margin trading platform, depending on which you prefer or need for your specific trading strategy. Now, once you're within the trading interface, you're going to locate the drop-down menu that lists the different order types. Among these options, you'll find OCO. Selecting OCO is crucial because it enables you to set two orders simultaneously, a limit order and a stop limit order. The beauty of this is that if one order gets filled, the other is automatically cancelled. This feature allows you to manage your risk and potential profits more effectively. With the OCO order type selected, the next step is to enter the price, stop, and limit values for your order. Take your time here to decide on your preferred price points. The stop price is the price that triggers the stop limit order, and the limit price is the price at which you would like your order to be executed. Remember, it's crucial to review recent market trends and perhaps consult some technical analysis to determine these values. This part is all about balancing your risk management with potential reward, so be thoughtful as you set your numbers. After entering your values, proceed to review your order. Double check everything to ensure that you typed in the correct prices and that your logic aligns with your trading plan. It's always better to catch any potential errors or adjustments needed at this stage, rather than after you've already placed the order. Once you're confident that everything looks good, it's time to place the OCO order. Go ahead and confirm your choices, and let the system work its magic. What happens now is a wonderful demonstration of efficiency. The system monitors market conditions, and if one order is triggered by the market hitting your predetermined price level, the other order will be automatically cancelled. This mechanism can effectively safeguard you against unwanted outcomes while potentially locking in profits. To wrap things up, mastering the OCO order can significantly enhance your trading experiences on Binance by simplifying decision making under pressure and minimizing potential losses. I hope this guide has provided you with a clear understanding of how to set up an OCO order. Happy trading!